My name is Dom Termansen, and I am a professional football player.
Today I'm really excited. We get to go to a field out in North Van, working with my friend Chris Giannakos, and we get to see where his fitness has taken him over the last couple of months.
Dom is a friend of mine. We've played basketball together. We have had conversations together about life. He's never trained me, but I did a couple of the warm-up classes on his NM class.
You'll push through your limits and find new levels of physical and mental strength.
I'm at that point where I feel like the moment we start, every muscle in my body is gonna cramp up and I'm not gonna be able to continue.
Remember, it doesn't matter where you start, it just matters where you're trying to get to and the intentions you have along the journey. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the field.
Man, we're about to see how hard this guy's been working, I guess, over the last 4 months.
Oh yeah,
you know?
Totally, definitely gonna see that.
I know you had a taste of athletic movement before, strong by NM, but now it's like, there's no hiding behind the camera. There's no hiding at home. We're out here in person.
No hiding behind the pizza delivery. The last time you saw it, was the last time I did it.
Okay. So that was the prime.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it doesn't matter where you start, man.
Yeah,
because this
exactly.
program's all about, being for everybody. Body weight program. You start wherever your starting point. That's good enough. Before every workout, but I feel like you might have already known this, is like finding that why. You know, if you know your why, you have a reason to get through every rep. You just come in here thinking, oh, I want to put in a good lift. Sometimes that's not enough. All right, man. Here we go. We're just gonna alternate. Well, let's get it now. Thumb towards the ceiling. Elbows up.
It feels just like the class.
Yeah, it does. We're in it. Doesn't get any realer than this. All right, 10 more seconds. Good, push it, even faster. Faster. I know you got it in you. How those hips feeling?
They're about to collapse.
Okay, so let's slow it down then. Oh yeah, I'm tight. Okay.
Yeah, me too. A little bit tight.
Yeah, bring it back down. Two, one, and rest.
Whew. Oh man, I didn't think I'd be able to do it.
Whew. We're gonna go right into this workout, which is the 2-foot linear hop. The plank punches for 20 reps. Immediately after that, we're into the squats. And then the burpees, man. All right, into the footwork. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. He has no idea we're about to turn it up on him. He has no idea. Imagine a line in front of you, right? Draw that line, take a step forward, let that second leg follow, and then we're back, right, left. And we're gonna find a rhythm with that. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. And remember, just like the high knees, your arms are supposed to match. There it is. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Strong work.
I'm encouraged by Dom. I feel encouraged.
Just remember, he's the one working out here, not me. So on your forearms here, want that nice back, right? If I put a glass of water right here, what's your favorite drink, actually?
Coffee.
Coffee, okay.
Yeah.
So we got a nice cup of Joe right here.
All right.
Sit in the lower back. Now that thing is hot, man. So you don't want those hips to dip.
Can you take it off for a sec?
No, it's gonna stay there. Okay.
Still there.
Now from that perfect position you're in right now, I want you to take one arm off the ground, punch right out in front of you. That's it right there. Got 20 of those.
What's holding me back always is probably exactly what holds back 90% of people, and that's just like the longer you don't do something, the easier it is to not do it. See that right there? A little bit of sweat.
Turn it out. We gotta move right into the next one, okay? The next one here, these squats. I want you right up on your feet, okay? We're going for 20 reps. I want that neutral gaze the whole time. I want that chin to stay pointing towards the ceiling on the way down, neutral when you're up and standing. Okay, ready? Go.
Every day you wake up, maybe you start by making your bed or breakfast, or you do some sort of routine every morning and it becomes second nature. That's exactly what exercise is. And like after you get a couple of days under your belt, then it just becomes like, it feels weird not to.
2, 1. Everybody knows the burpee, so we can just get right into it. All right, man. This is the first round. This is the last exercise, right?
All right.
So we just gotta bang it out. We got plenty of time to rest.
Let's
You
do it.
ready? 20 reps. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. All right, 20, man. Strong work.
Oh.
Excellent.
I feel, honestly, I got farther than I thought I would today.
Yep.
Yeah.
Tapping into that athletic side.
Yep.
It's always been inside of you, right?
It's there.
And that comes from like dedication, not just genetics. Second round, are you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's get it. 2 foot linear hop for you. It looks pretty damn good. So let's add it. Let's add something to it. Let's turn it into a 2 foot linear slide.
Okay.
Okay? So what that's gonna look like, you might need to slow it down, but it's 2 feet forward, 2 feet back, and we're gaining distance.
I actually have been wanting to exercise for a while, and I always come up with another excuse why. I've been able to exercise before and get into a routine, so sometimes that also is a problem. You think like, oh, it'll be there when I need it. It's day 1, not 1 day.
And you know what that means is you can only go 1 or 2 directions. You either move forward or move backwards. You never stay the same. But we've been through the first quarter, right?
All right.
Which they've also been through.
Right.
We've been through the second quarter, which they also did. We did the third quarter, and people started to get tired, but we're still here.
We're still here.
And now it's about the finish, it's about the fourth.
It's about to finish.
It isn't physical anymore, it's all mental. All right, let's get into it.
Let's do this.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah, we always go faster when we know we're close to the end. Nice. We're a quarter way through the fourth quarter.
That's 25%.
All right, 25%. Great math. Cup on the back. Pour a little bit more in there. Good, let's get it. 20 punches. Good.
I feel like it's cold pool syndrome. It's like the longer you stare at the pool, it's way easier if you just jump into the pool.
Strong work. How do you feel?
Feel good.
Good, we're halfway.
50.
Let's finish strong, let's finish strong.
You get that immediate shock, but after you realize that in your head, everything was worse in your head than it was in practice.
Okay. We're on to the final round, man. Your favorite exercise? Burpees. At the end of the fourth, I want you to be able to say that you gave it your all. Ain't that right, Chris?
That's absolutely
Right? End
correct.
of the fourth, I want you to be able to say you gave it your all. Let's get it. Good, man. 3 more reps here. That's 1. That's 2. Man, that's huge. You made it. My guy Chris Giannakos put in the work. I think it's important, when you're talking about modalities of training, it's important to find something that you enjoy, something that motivates you beyond your fitness goals or your aesthetic goals. It's like, I love the way I feel after I do this workout.
Totally.
That's what's gonna bring you back to do it every day, right? So,
Yeah. If it was easy, I wouldn't want to do it again. And neither would you, I promise.
we got the work in, 4 quarters, got the 2 feet linear hop. We added the slide. This guy kept his head down, finished strong. Proud of him.
Yeah. Oh man, that was pretty good. I'm definitely already starting to feel a little bit sore. I'm gonna sleep well tonight. But I mean, the first day is the hardest. Second day is easier. Third day, you're in a routine. Thanks, Dom. That was he's right over there. There he is. Yeah, that was an awesome experience.